ya Kibale tukaba twagize bakire karunja twatandika kuganira kutoye twajya mu katuti muhembezi wihanga yatusharabo kubaka bahinaho yabirari wiruba kacura na za campaign so hawa wakire karingo that means must have been last year.
Yeah, it was last year. Probably.
Mwenu nakwakira sebo.
Ninye nacara.
Sibirot.
Mwebale no bohereza.
Yeah.
Kandi nsima TV West na Radio West na Vision yona kakampa nokutwara hamwe mwebale obehereza umukuhereza ihangeri kandi nka TV West Akenson mukoro mu mahangu munonga akwa amahurira go mukora byame kuteji amahurira gentungu kamahurira go busasi amahurira go kumanyisa shuwari nwangu iniki tafaranga rumutira nkura na ihangeri amazina nakamagara Godfrey omuhezi w'umuzoshero wa president mu district ya Kibale omurubonyo Sub-region nashemerwa ko banimwe ambeoza TV West abanya Uganda yero ko mututeje amatumu turebe abanya Kibale abantu babonyo Sub-region nimwe mutufollowing ubuntu kagezaho kore kutwafuta itafari okongera nkora n'icanga kitu cyabonyoronka Sub-region Kibale nka district na Uganda yo no kutwara hamwe
yakatandikana na security abo kuba geographically na no kumuri ahumuri district ya Kibale n'umwanya uguri cyo kubanza hariyo Kibera tuko ari Kibera the other day there was an incident ya biro mu myanya yabire behingurize aho n'urwo mu office y'umuntu uri kubona journals wa security neba eri under your docket security emerire tumucanga cha Kibale gibe mu kamera mu abantu baganira
security mu district ya Kibale okutwara hamwe security y'ukurunje munonga koze ninjana nomburu ubutwarigiremo bwa primaries omunju yitunga yenaremo tumararebire vuyo obundi kuretwa mu district ya Kibale. However, some isolated cases could have been in other districts ezindi omurubunyoro kunganga Kibale kutwara hamwe. Security was really guaranteed and Kibale was at peace. Akwa tukakora nka team twatambara hamwe nkabazwekero ba president, the office of the RDC twatambara hamwe na security, the DPC, police as an institution na sister security agencies twamaninga jakaruru campaign trails zabebembezi omuburu bwa primary zatambaraje naka ka general elections bakuru bebe gutebe bitabe bimwe na bimwe mu yanga because Uganda tukazo mu nkore ya multi party politics ebigome byo biteki bigurwe nyiki so bakatambara mu campaign trails zabo biza bayanjura manifesto zabo muri Kibale omurunyo Sub-region yona baje torora na mukuru wihanga rya Uganda nawe yiza yako muri Kibale by the way Akensu district ya Kibale omurunyo Sub-region district semwenda ezukora bunyo Sub-region niyo yasingiriye ubwinje bw'abantu arare okwiza kwandaza omubwinji omubyo Sub-region according to the report we got omukwiza kwakira mukuru wihanga so abanya Kibale nimbasima munonga Akensu okoreba mu mukatusiari yecu kana nakaruka president by the way omu district ya Kibale we are the second tukaba ba kabiri omubunyo Sub-region iyo kubanze kaba district ya Kakomero ya kabiri kaba Kibale omu district semwendeze gukora bunyo Sub-region so noreba ngo real Kibale tukakora je mobilization kandi echo mewangambye ko wageta hawo Kibale cyatumire security netambaraje no kugira ngo tukakora hamwe nke story twakora je kunji atari mu clicks intrigues conflict of interest no nico warebe twamaninga jo bururu bwono bwa primaries na general elections mu district je ya Kibale.
Okay. Yeah, deka tugambe ahabebembezi na munonga abahereze kuraba mu aba bantu bahira karuru you know aharengo rwa district na ni ka office ya RDC omuntu yaza kwetegereza kutera tochi nareba ngo numugenda kumwe n'ingaburu bamwe bakurura bari kutozo wabo because that is very key to service delivery. Abantu kuza kubuhereza mwashanga for example let's say nkamukuru interview ya katanu nakura na atozo we wakashanga RDC nakura na atozo we ahagataho haruho ekina chango obuhereza nubasa kutayika jabantu. How is that?
Omtebekanisa program n'abayo ba TV West amazimagaringo ito mu district ya Kibale abwenchi turi exceptional wajagira sama districts agandi no kugira muntu kwaranka team because you see in service delivery once there is laxity at all levels both political and administrative that is a miss to service delivery but the fact that the civil service and the political wing we are working closely together that's why that's that's why services are flowing beneath our targeted people on ground nico kurobereza mbutambura cyomwe kuranga abantu bitu bafanamu hatari friction eminyurano
yo kumenogamba hatari mu na no kwetumwita reka ngambira okwetumwita kucya kureta mu bantu muza district service commission aho hanacha kwaro abantu okutunga ukumuna nandi zona departments za district zikorera kumwe nizigenda okugira ngo uzakora kurungi abantu kwikohereza
abwana Bobs amazimagari ngo mu district ya Kibale nubwo kurugaho keciro mu district ya Kibale ukareba ko behereza buryo no butambura no flowinga because haza mo kunyurana okuskana pulling ropes that means omuntu wabutosa no waguza kushasha because government at the end of the day nene targeting omuntu wabutosa kurango yakikohereza amizi marungi engoto nungi na disbursement yesente za government is there value for money at the end of the day manyamwa muryo minyurano bwana Bobs value for money a ground netaro nibaza kombe kishomero because there is laxity of the political wing, there is laxity of the oversight of the overseers abakwembarebuza programs za government na baba mosanga bari mu nshaho za ba politicians they are driven by the politicians final osanga nabo batakora checks and balances executing oversight roles so itwenga office ya president abazuchiro ba president muri Kibale nutkora emirimo yitu executing mandate yitu ya turukoragana na political wing sente ya katano Westinisa Godfrey Muhonge Kasanga LC5 na kanso yeyo composition ya ba district councillors be na local governments ba sub county councils town councils ba mayors ba town council kwa LC3 ba town councils ba magombora na nabemeruka ground na za sales cause in traversing akurango twayika ground kuyabere yentekateka ya government ubundi atabaje in politics na conflict of interest okasanga government inkeje nteketeka ya PDM neba ne targeting omuntu wabutosha ogwaryo nasinga bareza takajiyo middle income status hati kandi wasanga omuntu ayabire jini waryo naganjirwa mu ntekateka nkeje je ya PDM that means it is a mess on government but for us Kibale tukokiri no tuka ground tureba beneficiaries abo ko abo kwa accessing sente za PDM no bahi n'abantu abagufu a president ari kugamba abantu byabakwenda ngo bimusiyo mutone abo bazo money economy babagiro money economy no bahi politics ziryo mu program za government tarumu ene conflict of interest ombyo butegeki mu district ya Kibale program za government ni chokora manizitamburaje kandi itwenga bazochiro ba president we are no nonsense people tugira ground sente za PDM no ma government ke committingana neze sente zo ku withdrawinga sente omuntu ayine kwa nafuna miliyoni emwe omuntu naizo mu office bojo deputy RDC yaka sente kange kanyibe nyine kufuna miliyoni emwe kamfune mitoche nana ntuma 20 zikazangai ayingamba CDO bachifu na yaje yamigwa ezo story no soma burizoba because in to at the end of the day tekateka ya government incapacity development model emiogezo za sakozi za microfinance support center abantu baganyirwa mu initiatives ni intervention za government ezo konka twatukile mu political conflict of interest zabebembezo kusangana ba pulling ropes na office yitungo bazujira ba president tukabasa causing impact ground but the fact that we are working closer together with the political wing nico cyenda kugambira mu kutandika twende is lax at all levels both political and administrative tumukabasa kuscoringa no causing impact ground program za government no mano somo mazina PDM emyoga sakozi nezini interventions in use level program ya sente za grow money z'abachara bajo money economy nezini interventions za government aid fund ground usanga atine chiro akwana hamwe minyurano yabebembezi and you see omuzungu najya ngo when two elephants fight it's the grass that suffers.
That's right. Twereze kuruga mu karuru abantu bona besimbira umuri Kibale bona tebarasingira
that's a fact.
Definitely inama singiro. Let's talk about the involvement now na nimo kumurukora nabo boko batatoje mu karuru emitama y'abantu mu abandi nebe habiri ntaba harimo abandi bantu accusing abagenzi babo bw'ibintu bitari mu nabo. How are you working as the district leadership post election?
Webari chibuze cyo bwana Bobs ansonga ya post election strategies na management itwenga bazuchero ba president office ya president mu district ya Kibale turebereye ngo twine kuba tuza ground because twine abantu bita babiri disgruntled abetona apart abayibaganisemo omubyo butegeki ekitutekateka ngo abantu abo baba batagarikiye kuhebwa amasiko abantu abo no babasa kuba disgruntled eventually usanga ina government programs zezekeye gukora omukisange cy'emyaka 5 zitaba realized ground. So what we have done as representatives of the president in the district omurikibare no kureba ngo we are now traversing the whole district Igombora ndizo town council ndizo woda ndizo mu Rukagunde ecyara kindi kongera kubangura abantu no kubasomesa kujangwa akaruru tiyumuheru yensi. There is another life after elections. Bwana Bob zakaruru abantu abinje umwene bewa masiko kagwa karuru sanango mu community tayine mugasho usanango umwene community murebere nk'ikintu kityo tayine vale yakonja community konka abanyakibare nangwa n'abanyayuganda mbyanga byanye himuri muhumure okugwa karuti yo muheru no kugezesibwa mwe no gezesibwe tubyagendaje konke kikurwa mu bantu bawe tubahira amasiko mugumo mu bantu banye baruzinye ntebe arengo rwa parliamentary abesimba ntebe za members ba parliament twabaha amasiko mugumo mu bantu banye mutambure na program za government mwongere gukora development zimbene mukora because bwana Bobzi emirunde minjo mbururu noreba bebembezi okubara yuko mwaka mana gaba minji baryamisana bagesoburono babanjure bisambu no becwacwana nabakorebi omumfunu basature nkuna yesosho capital nikuru konka bye bisambu is it sustainable nozaguma no banjure bisambu nozaguma no sature nkwarufu katabaye ngonda kuba umuntu wabantu waguma nabo noza because you cannot sustain that. Tubagambye abantu bajangu go back on the drawing board. Regard these cheap politics as any additional value ekizikongera abantu bitu abanya-Uganda abanyakibare abantu babonyoronga sub-region. Hati muzagura undi murete capital development projects eza kubasa kutambira abantu then abantu barebe nguriye no mwamwageze sibwe mukamwe no mutima go kunda masaza ganyu districts zanyu ebyanga byanyu next time tokamanya rangani warondo mwebembeze no sanga abantu bareba ngo gumire nabo mu bizubo bine umukurakurano bine nango nda sustainability za projects zotiriho zentunguka Kurobyo ni za bursaries utakaje tunyukuna ngwira karuka member wa parliament kisente ko entebe ya 5 ka LC5 ninga district council ninga meya urembo ka state keji ninga town council keji aba LCC chairperson ukaje tunyuka withdrawing ezo za bursaries no gumiza muno koragana ni institutions zizobe no twara abana bakakusoma certificates diplomas abana za university zobe no koragana nabo abana gumize muno bafunira za bursary ko oisimrante yishengero then abantu barebe ngunangwa nico bwebembezi tubwo abeno yenda koreka iyo ko ya mutwe kugira ngo okore ntunguka yakubasa kutambira cyangwa eco kigendo misho abantu nyensi imyaka 5 Bobzon bakwesigasha tunagumwe usanga bakwase bendire 2020 turanga yatukiziyo ashatunagumwe bakusindi ko mwishengero kuri gihanga wahereza
twazavuze mukahumuro kutwara ryo mukahumuro ntwenda kugamba hanshonga yo kugira ngo kibare as I spoke kutandika program eji it's a place that is endowed naturally tuhanga kabahanga kurungi minunga yatayo ibintu bikushemeza misho nanumbi kwatirine bya ecosystem you contribute largely to that konka turebe abantu okutura kw'abantu na national park okutura kw'abantu na niceberecho umuntu nahazaruka mu emicenjano nyemisho kutahira abantu then nabwo tusagana yakigambo cy'kwatira n'ikitaka abo kuba eshonga zitaka nzira ko rwa munongo yes eshonga zitaka how are you handling eji ni TVS zirayagira Bobs kandi umujyi wanje ni Godfrey Kamagara umuhwezi wo mujwecho rwa mukuru w'ihanga aba district ya Kibare tutera to kitero kuranze abuhereza mu district ya Kibare. Take a short break tuzagaruka takaruka TVS.
Emuteni yo ya dala gamba ti best friend emuteni tutandikidde Kampala naye tugenda mu ggwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba.
Twebaza Omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo.
Sasula school fees ng'okozesa Momo onyiga star *655*80# ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van naawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
Murako ochiria TV West kandi no basa kutukuratira aha social media platforms zetu gumeno shanga yo content nkeje turi kubatwine no basa kundo ino turebera hare no basa kurebera aho turi kweta Vision Digital Experience app jitunge then you download it kuruga App Store no Play Store wasegumza muno following programming njumnunga ya TV West n'izindi zona our sister companies under the umbrella ya Vision Group otunge information era base kubane hindura magara gawe tuturumbwira w'abantu binji bakorabyo information ubundi rukubetariyo so kutunga information nekire ecokire kurunje munonga ukamayichwa kidio misho chikuje no misho ground that's going to help you go here say rumors and even David nkebyo. Let's talk facts. Speaking about facts, that's what we're talking about. Nyona no mwami deputy RDC ahabwa district ya Kibale Godfrey Kamagara ntugamba habuhereza umucanga echa Kibale natana kiri ahanshonga yitaka emihondano iri kuretwa amataka abokuba Kibale numuzara munonga like any other place no mu Uganda kandi abantu mkanita kani minji munonga amakuru tubantu gareba hano mu gace enchwire. There's also an issue ya domestic violence kandi nyinji eri kuzarukira eri stemming from that.
Yes.
How are you handling as a district?
Webali bwana Bobzi echo kubanza emihondano y'amataka as the representatives of the president, the RDC's office, we are working closely with the district land board kurebangu emihondano y'amataka mu district ya Kibale twajemaraho nangwa turukoragana na office ya probation. Akwano rebe emirundi mingi no shango mushiza nkogu itaka akarsigerwa ise customer land akarsigerwa ise nkuru yarsigira nyine nkuru yarsigerwa ishe ninga nyina hati areba ngo ayine kuba naguzita keryo nubwo ayine family n'abana omukazi kakuza kugamba amutira umushaya guhimbura atira itaka nerya tata tiryawe hati ayebo kumanya ngo ubwafu na family byone byayine nebye no mukazi we n'abana because no yayahirwita keryo ayine kuba nakora development sezara atware family misho hati osangita kalyo naruguza niyeje mihondano yo wagamba imijurano yemishango nkejo omu office za RDCs na no office za probation imihondano y'amataka konke kitkozere twenzire tukore postmortem kugira ngo abantu batakiziro mu office yitu abwe imihondano y'amataka tubanze tuzagura round bwana Bobs tubashomese okuba kubasa kugira utilization y'amataka gabo bakakwataniza n'amaka gabo abashiza bakagaruka role zabo mu makagabo n'abakazi bakagaruka role zabo bakaroku barakora entungu kamanyo mukazi nubwo kuboyini itaka warihibwi shoninga nyoko konka wagenda washwira konka kashe kawo karyo wanyu waba wahinjire mu mwani ukahinga mwena nasi entasiye kurgayo ile kwa nwenje itafara nkora na ya family ejo tukugira ngo neryawe yes neryawe konka jire cyo wayongera nkora na ya family jire akabega akuwateka oni usindike ukora ngo eka yagendo misho so tugira ground kugira ngo tusomesa abantu emihondano y'amataka kandi n'ikindi ikintu cha land fragmentation ko wasigirwa itaka ryawe swenkuri yawe ninga these ancestral land ba customer land umumbera zone itake ryo mureke kuricwamu akwanura na mukuru wihanga president na yange ibintu bya customer na kabya land fragmentation okucwa ngo butakataka ukuyarwanura mbara bamutiya mino garagara ngo baguze kipande baguze porotinkeji ngo baze kumucungura ato yebuzo baguzitaka kumucungura agume iki yakora kigumene nchongera vari yankora kurana ya family ninga yechika ninga nufugo mutuma so oreba ngo abantu mindset change nekintu kikuru munonga nico korebana no program za government zone inclusivity ya mindset change is there bwekora afune sente za government bwana Bob Z eza PDM orazikoze saki because abamwe bazifuna za kuronda abakazi za aragacho baraza cyangwa ari kuronda umukazi ninga agenda nkayi kuronda umukazi kiyayi no wakabiri kuronda wakashatu hato yebuza is there value for government money so tugira ground twabagamba mwagume mihondano y'amataka mwagume mu kurwanaga n'umusiza naryana n'umukazi we n'umusiza naryana n'umukazi we n'umukazi naryana n'umusija we mwino butiza kugere nkora yimwayongera akejo kandi nabana banyu nubaso tabashomesa because ibintu bimwe ebikozinga paralysis ekikuzaru ko muri yecho niyo paralysis in service delivery paralysis stunted development sombia umakaganyu usanga inkora yarima
ariho ekintu kiranye ndakubuza ekireberwe ahantu hinji ebikugira ngo omunshonga z'amataka ba RDCs bahindukira stakeholders bamana munonga titwamanya ati ba RDC mwahenda mubireka koti nimushamese nchiko muchwa mumukoro kuchwamu hata abantu Rwanda bebuza bishi RDC niwe ultimate authority ni waruga akusha arati no bakushara emishango y'amataka you know. What would you like to say about that?
Bwana Bob zo bari kumbuze kintu cyo kanye ndo chamanye omuzungu najyangu no doctors are doctors, they are those who pretend to be so in actual sense they are not. No teachers are teachers, they are those who pretend to be teachers in actual sense they are not. Na kiraka sese azayishomeno miswesi omwanya go zo mu class kusomesa abana bateka kibaba sigeno noze chutexe sigeno nwa yeye asayiringo mu kitabata. Likewise n'abakozi ba government abamwe nuko bari tubura umuntu bwana Bobzi ngo mwene executing emirimo yengo kwa kwayine kukikora abamwe no sanga ari muna conflict of interest omubuhereza bwabo nagwero rubazu hato umuntu ngo yanagwere mbazu ninga ine conflict of interest in the case hato go muntu takatuma yacwa mugi decision making nerema nico kureba abantu nibitana okokwe ngo mabagwa bibanza bagwa nkayi because omwe ladders zo bwebembezi ezimwe zireme ku executing mandate yazo nubwo kureba bazucoro ba president bataha mu ba RDC zabamwe
mushonga
zamataka no kugira ngo tugiye bitwamaraho ground okwe kuba bugumankini ba LC1 zibita bamwe ekoti zikafumuka jacket zafumuka namwe ni simo government ya Uganda ansi y'obudumizi bwa General yo Kaguta Museveni na ministry ya local government ansi yo Stinsa Honorable Bafa Magezi kureba ngo basubize sente z'ukwingana 56.9 billion shillings disbursement yokutebeka nsoburu bwa LC1 na LC2 akubensongeza kubenzuwero mu LC1 bwa na Bob hate ensonga no sanga LC2 chairperson naonana na LC1 chairman eventually umuntu akubena afuna uburinganiza na afuna justice hato umuntu osanga narga umusango kwa kwengo wa LC1 nuguzo wa RDC omusango gwa mataka obundo ubagura protejo chairman akaro yayanga kuza kuzura akuba security yayanga kuza kuzura LC1 akwa chairman obayimba kuzita kena protejo akabaru wenkana stamp yate aho umuntu so hatezo nzonsongeza kutuma twaza ground nka office abazuchara ba president kumanza kuyabe leadership ya LC1 composition ya leadership ya LC1 composition ya LC2 numukora hamwe as a team nabantu bitongera kubahabura kugira ngo LC1 yakutira akachiko otakora jeza onka office abajoro ba president tugambe because what atugambie twino butama what is transpiring on ground and the chairperson may end up messing up because we have seen LC1s bamwe bwana Bobs na twabirona za stamps omurikibari akwaro misuse ya stamps and government is an official stamp to kwata stamp ya government okenda ngo obeni yo wanyu hamarwa okenda obeni yo wari henyama okenda obeni yo wari hebihimba kora za barawa ina kugotomero munanasi ninga kwetenkeji stamp yawe hata woni chimanisa ngo government nebe ryo mukabeka hango akoba LC1 chairperson na LC2 imwe nimwe bamwicirwa ba government acharo government process no kwekurga higure bonire yahika ground ekasanga hariho murro it's like we are seated on a time bomb isayona ne busting and funebizo.
Okay. Echo okuturaho kw'abantu na n'ibyo buhangwa na no kw'abantu bakwataje ibyo buhangwa abo kuba custodians bo kubanza ibyo buhangwa n'abantu.
Yes.
Abanyakibari kibari numa ugurumu irindiro ry'inyamishwa ishebera abantu batwire batanabo haza ikwijone ryo twantu tamuna na imwabebembeza
webare bwana Bobs n'abare ba TV West mwebare kutoreba eco kubanza kibari n'umwanya gwirindiro ry'inyamishwa nangwa n'ebibera konka tuyo tukoragana n'ekitonge cya NFA National Forest Authority because twina mwe nkuru cyaza bari yomba tahire bibera bya government kakangombe National Reserve ekiberecho kongera kukitahira because inje manyisango batahire ekiberecho tine kitikozireho nje manyisango mu myaka nk'etano Uganda ne kubeta kine bibera nangwa omwenza kuba nkitekana na reba magaraga abanya Uganda habayo encroachment ya swamps ebisara bibera. So at Turia ground, Dangwa security as it because this is a security issue. Office of the DSO, District Internal Security Officer, Office of the RDC, as representatives of the President in the district, to engaging and avail C1 chairpersons, district yona, na stakeholders, kuonjera kushomesa abantu tukwatayina na office ebyo buhangwa Natural Resources Office, kuonjera kushomesa abantu bita ground kumanya, twaba tuine kibereki nk'abanyakibari. Twaba tuine irindo ry'inyamisweri nk'abanyakibari kabantu bakagade n'emyanya y'ihingurire ekorabwa muza reserve zeze itwe nk'abantu abehinguririzo umwanya ogwe ntufuna mututa nk'abanya Uganda eco kubanze sente zikurugombe berezo nazibisaho government zongera capital development projects ezokorwa mu districts gitu agatarga mwe na gamwe akubanza zongera resource envelope yihanga nangwa n'abarambuza bokurga heru yihanga nibizo mbibranke ebi byakangombe forest reserve nebindi amarindiro genyamishwa nebibira bihangu nkebyo muyanga kubereba nangwa no kureba mu binyonyi kozo nusanga umuntu ari ngomi kibira aine rukoba rwenkorwa runatire ibinyonyi nabita dene bire byahwire bakiza yoko muri kibari bine ibinyonyi bayimbaronda bazombe biromo researchers babitere bishani konka abantu abayimbateye bishani bwana Bobs bakambaza zurwa sente zitakaboga abasambara ro mahoteli gebei hatu wayebuza yoriyo no ite kinyonyi konke kinyonyi ariyo naiza kutere kishani cyacu uwe kayo nafune sente zitakaboga ekiri kumanyisangwe binyonyi byo mahanga gabazungu nibikuru munongano babiri nkatuwa attractions so orebangu evere bitwatabikumire tukengayijinga abantu bitu bakahinge bibara bakonje bakahinge imiti because imbagambira ground ka office ya RDC tubagera ngo na wabo ine birthday party reka tweke kukomaza social media platforms manya bobo happy birthday party congratulations bikingebyo so twine kumekinga shuwa ngo mu birthday party zinkezo wahengo muyembe nkogu emitinga munana yemiyembe emitinki 10 ya vakedo nkezi ninga any other tree za eucalyptus trees za groveria emitinkejo ojinga nanangwana no muntu na yafa muhinge emiti ico kurebana narrative yati yebimureryo nerwaho because omuti nyensi akoko guhinga hafi yo mugurusi nkogu kaka nkogu nyensi abizukuru bizabari yebizumba mangobo nakobo so yenkora karyo magagense and he existed
mu myanya ejeje districts ezirimu setup nkeji abantu mwene bane betombwita bakugira ngo government na district leadership nefa bibera ahanyamishwa ushanga nabo abantu babatoshana batunga umwe okusisikarwa enyamishwa zote ziri kumanya ngo paka yaza komaho umwe they will cross zije zijyo kuzashisha ibintu by'abantu ibintu kibini manyangu numuzitunga cases inkezo how have you handled
cases inkezo bwana Bobs intuzufuna kokito mu district ya Kibale twine nkoragana nonje munonga n'aba NFA n'abataka kuzi kugira ngo zabaho twete nchiko residents tuganiya nabo kandi hariba kweta paying back to the community social corporate responsibilities nazo zoroho emyanya yona eromu amarindiro genyamiswa emyanya ejyo bwana Bob zinamazima basibe bitimba kugira ngo inyamisozi takargo kuzikatahirira abantu babo tosa zikabasisire byo kurya akuba nabo amagara gabo ntago kuba gemerire konka obwiye no bwika usanga abantu babagarura government ni bagarura suru NFA National Forest Authority abantu babayize ensawo z'emiceri babayize ensawo z'obuhunga abantu babaye emyenda nangwa hari muna bwa basariza abana babatwara amashomera abana babo baza kushoma babombekera no kubombekera. So mwene haro good public relations na community konka no manya ngo orwaro rwo turukari magumandurugayo but government is working around the clock kurango yahandoringa because kubonja ngo twabe twinekizibu n'abantu abo nitekatego muri cyo bari percent tuyira karuka mukuru wiyanga tekurigereyo akwe myanje jikaine ko beri affected kandi umwetera against but abantu abakatira karuru kurunje munonga akuba twine nkoragana nonje nabo na ndibe imyanya ejebera abehereye.
I want us to look at two areas tukwira kwendera ko questions tuzagera nzwayo education and health. Turugire umubigezo turugire umubigezo abashomero gati baho mu rucere bayone bakora kandi ni mwenka office ya RDC nimwe nichibakwataho supervisinga amashomeraga in one way or another ukoresha kugenda mu misho but also the quality of the education that is given na namashomero gitu abo kubaza mu mushongezi cyo kwemerera mu no kugira ngo mu mashomeraga government ibiyombe ko nibicoborabura gamo mashomero ga government performance mpora for example to antureba ibyumwako as a district numureba habireho okushiftinga from one level to another kandi zindi shongezi cemerire mu sector ziha before we talk about health.
Webale bwana Bob zini mwabareba TV West kurete nsonga ibyo bwegesi echo kubanza nimbanza kusima government ya Uganda ansi yobudumizi bwa General Yokaguta Museveni okorekwa as a vision leader akamanya obunako obwe UPA takizire yinabana batarakira biruto byo kushoma government mukuru wihanga akadoptinga entekateke ya UPE Universal Primary Education abana bona bagende bashome because abantu obunako bo bakabargo mu mashomero baza kura enkonje mfamu z'abagiga n'emitete final abana bu future yabo yawaho to bayikabiruto byabo. So government ki adoptingire echo twine products binja abana ba UPE products n'ebingi ne batawunukalaka n'abantu bakuru mu government bobo no sangani obundo warabire ngo mu UPE or product konka orye chori abo kugira ngo government ekakutera kabyaga yakwataraho government nesashora abasomesa much as government is working around the clock rangu ya increasing science abo science enhancements kubongeze emisara entitlements and emoluments zabo kuzaranzyaho konka nurangu government ekikoze yashashora abashomesa kandi results ziyonzerga yempora because we must work closely with these stakeholders PTA committees management committees obuchiko bw'abakutegeka amashomero n'obuchiko bw'abaziri mustamo munju yanyu murebe ebintu ebikwatire ekihuzo ishomero yanyu n'ibintu ki ensonga ezikutuma performance etaje no mission. So mwaiza kuzo munju yanyu mukazikiriza naho murebe kumara handling then abana bakahikaje because government ebetaro okora amagoba government ne ekora amagoba abana baba bakire bigezo byabo beyongiye mbaje matende kiragayiro secondary na za universities na tasha institution
omumyanya ndijo for example nka hano umurimbo rwambara there's an issue ya understaffing understaffing abashomesa tebaro kumara chibare chemere kiti
omutebekanisa program bwana Bobo amazima garwebere bikwire turjo mu rukiko rwa orientation meeting mu district ya Kibali konja ko orienting aba teacher administrators bamasomero ga private na government review meeting akwandeba ho buri mwaka tutaka tanche na tamu nangwa tucherirwa mukachi akubeka ba wiki ya wiri so echi nikisime office ya kao na office ya RDC okutebeka nsenchikezo no kwenja kureba gaps ziringahi issues in cases they were raised staffing levels bashomesa no sanga ishomye batakumarya government ya primary ya secondary but okutumanya sebyo nikituyambani itwe kuri okutora manning but as I talk omurikebare staffing levels tiziri kubimononga kandi naho levels ziri hansi abashomesa batakumara turiyo tugezaho ku recruitinga because the wage bill hereze kwiza then we are trying to recruit kugira ngo twafiringa those gaps nuko abana bihanga bafona quality education kandi bagomezamo bashoma barga mu kibasemye kurugamo
obuherezo bubiyamagara abo kuboboye n'ikintu cyukuri umunonga kandi district ya Kibale na humuri numweshanga mwine muna n'abandi bantu bunda batari bo muri Kibale bona bari kwija mwine kubaragura health services how is the health department performing?
Of course health services iyo zikora jo mu mugwazo kandi twe nk'abazuje ba president tuyo tukora mu mugwitu koze bire byahuye nayo naheze kwika twina abrupt visits kwika mwanya bwa na bobzi nangwa abantu batakuteka teka unoza kwiza no kwiza nkara DC nkogo okora abrupt visits no kwenda kongera kubangura no kongezo mishe bya ibyo buhereza kurango byagenda higuru wahika health center 3 kg hariho umushaho abasaho government ikombeka kota zabo zo kuraramu konko umushaho nakweka musahina ari yabyamere so tonja tukora taking action intubeta disciplinary action nakao tonja kuganira n'abantu aba kasubwo babenoshaho mu rumoka wabeno ishengereza ngo bakwakarumoze kora nango keta ndakarumo kasakarumo kabireho abwencho takoro mu mugo gose mikora abwencho nimukasaba mukaga baruye babyamerine aheraho kandi mebazereho kandi yine kuba no providing services zo buhereza abwenchi nekindi bineho nankeji register oguna signinjiro gwa signinjiro bakoyeka musaba mukaga ngo bona ba signinjiro sanga irwara atari umuntu nogo. So we are trying to deal with such indisciplined civil servants kurebangu abantu abo twabakoraho kuko amateka garuko gamba standing orders za civil service nuko kituyambo myanya yitupressing mu abantu abakubasa kuyamba ihanga bakabasa kugira icyo bakora abyamagara
numukozesa agency ni yemwe nakwa kuba hariho need abo kuba yirewe cyo kugira ngo abantu mwe bareta discipline cases haro kushanga nabo nubari hirwaro batina byokozesa we talk about emibazi umarwaro ebitanda n'ubundi buhereza ebakubiri nibababine byo kubahwera so agamara kumukozesa okudisciplining abare no gomana kumukozesa okugambera ikintu cyashoba aho hazaho gapu birwana byetengwa kwereza abantu
bwana Bob zamazimagaye ngutubanze tusimiyo government ya Uganda kureba ngo burugombora nebera mu Oromostere Center 3
but are they functional
kandi cyo ndio ninyiza arengo rwisaza health center 4 arengo rwa district osanga ezimwe ziri mu na regional hospitals ziri yaho na referral hospitals so oreba ngo government okuteka ho facilities echeka chikora kandi yatekaho na quotas abashaho bitkorara imyanya ejo kandi na nekitonge cha National Medical Stores NMS ni supplying emibazi yes there could be delays usanga emibazi tizira mu bwire but nesyo bwire iza kandi abantu baccessing emibazi ejo baccessing obuhereza so emibazi yaberoho because mu rikibare those are rare cases emibazi yeroho kandi neiziro mu bwire n'aba NMS wike yawe aba National Medical Stores bayize kuko mu kibare but mutukambiza kwa emibazi medical district medical officer jakira nakachikoke ezo mu district ni twenkabazo ba president ju witnessinga nangwa kagambara na ba chairman C1 akukota za district ziri kubaziri ntinimo bamwicirwa ba government mwine kuba ni muntu mureba emibaze y'amana bambagiza bura mu mbajiguza mubene mureba omanyo tukarsivinge emibaze boxes kwingana ziti mwene ono musandi ibiri boxes zawireho consumption yabi yo kugira ngo baji consumire ekikomanyisa ngo akaboda evasion niyo koreka report akawokoreto mu office ya RDC okatwaro wadiso twonje kuchondoza because mbajya ngo yamba government na yikuyame. Before you blame the government of America for what has done for you, what have you done for it? Before you blame the government of Uganda and President Museveni for what they have done for you, what have you done for them? Ni mwa abantu mbeba akarebuzi. Wazo mu clinic ya private omusawo wa government ari gukora ayirwaro rya government akakwereza panado watirwa mutoko nkera akagambo UG Uganda government arakoto manyise nk'abazuciro ba president manyisa bebembezi bawo mu district nukwe kiyambe obuherezo because imbazi jo nanda akuguzo obuhereza bwawe akwa government eje mbaze keje kuretire mwe nukota mu mbaze y'amani yagitwa mu clinic yari nagikuguza tumanyise abantu abo tubakwate because twine kuyamba government na yeka tuyamba kugira ngo umugenzi wa wararge umugombo Rex n'ingombo Rex yiza hirwara musanga pana dejo batagibere ko tamwasange ryo mwirwa romwe nuko kimuyambe kugira amagara marungi because bwana Bobs nagambe government omubahangwa bwayo no mukubaho kwayo government betaro gukora amagoba government ne ekora amagoba abantu babe bariyeje binamagara marungi harengudo mbarabiye byamaguzu yabo mabitwara mu katari because engudo zaziboniye cyamanyisanga nana tubakuza kuserwa abwe bihingwa byabo nico manyisanga ibihingwa mbiza kwa mu kasente kirireyo so ago ngoma go baga government abantu binamazanyaza bakora wedding zabo bakora business zabo mbabiza abantu bakwemo yabo ago ngoma go baga government abantu bayo
akagambo kamuheru
akagambo kamuheru bwana Bobs ni nterra omaranga abanyachabari n'abantu babonyosa bridge n'abanyayuganda mwe no kutwara hamwe ntakaruruka hwire mu rwo mu trading centers mu rwo mu khayana mu rwo mu mbozi anaka karuno bukamugwire karese motoka yebeyi miliyoni rusanzu ona sari sere motoka ya miliyoni rusanzu yurizuye bagagaro zitebya 16 ate motoka ya mugashoki muze kubanzure bisambu mwecungure mwezumbiro program za government nka PDM Price Development Model emyoga sakozi na neza microfinance support center nkisison za government mwiye center amagoba make mweyombeke mweho mboro kandi mutwara abana banyamajomero because education is an equalizer nico chikwate kitugizo bwa hati obwegese nico chikwate kitugizo bwa hato mwihango mwe kwingana so mworo no mugiga mukesanga mustamarsan yarumwe no murya komwe wabo somisho mwana wa doctor naza kushwero wa MP naza kushwero wa engineer na kushwero wa osange kejo yagumiza mu yagendo misho so murye kace mutukuzo murunda kasente tukata kushomesa abana bitu obwe nubu businguzi bitu akwanyensi y'abana bitu abaziye ryo mikono yitu mwe bari
kamagara ngo ndifure watwara kuri Munonga ubu no mukwezi umushokirwa mukuru wihanga aha wa district ya Kibale na niwo gumeno tureba okuyatandika okusiyaga majingo butwaza kwendera nikiriza mbase kuba ni kusima kandi na intandikiro mbigambo nibimwe ebiyabanaganira deputy RDC kugira ngo tuze gukora bukuba wabo takoziri ubundi bizibune biza kushanga byakwetorora otakire cyo kubasa kora and save some money nichukuru Munonga sashura abana school fees hari abantu abazira bano bangakushura abana amajomero twena kubise ngo numboga gwanyu kugira ngo tosheme kubena umwana uri mu myaka yo kwana azayishomero akagumari umuka atari kuzayishomero kandi urukumureba hari abanyoni bita hari muri Kibale na the entire sub region Bunyoro twenda kujya mu mwebere Munonga buguma none mukunda TV West kandi no kutwereza content etari imwe n'imwe abanyamakuru bita bari yuko bakubana batuseho information umuri w'ibiro ko gutera kubendeze birungi mukaba turindire until next time. My name is Bobs aha TV West. Good night.
Enshonga y'izuba yabane kushibwaho
Kabozi multivitamin drink tasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nicikuyambaho kwigura misi kireta amana masyo mbashije hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwata Kabozi multivitamin drink utuntumura cyubaro na stress